The ingredients are singing. Perfect. Time to give them a final toss.
Everyone loves
Just
watching
right.
cooking videos, but anime cooking videos? That's a whole different level of satisfaction. And after watching videos like these, you probably want to create them yourself. But the problem is, finding a free AI video generator that can create trending videos without worrying about credits, limits, or quality isn't easy. But I recently discovered a free AI video generator that lets you create trending shorts and reels without paying anything or worrying about credits. And yes, every video you're seeing on screen was created using this tool. So, let's see how it works. Simply go to Google and search for TikTok Symphony. From the search results, open the official website, which says Symphony Creative Studio. Once you're on the website, simply click on Get Started and create your account. Once your account is ready, you'll land directly on the home page of the tool. And here's the best part. You can see that you get 1,000 free credits per week, which I think is more than enough to create AI shorts and trending reels. And that's exactly why I said you don't have to worry about credits at all. Now, let's take a quick look at the interface. As you can see, the home page is pretty clean and easy to navigate. From here, you can generate both videos and images. For this tutorial, we're going to create a video. Once you click on the video option, you'll find 3 different options: reference to video, image to video, and text to video. You can choose whichever option you prefer, but for this tutorial, I'm going with image to video. Now, simply upload your image from here. Once it's uploaded, enter your motion prompt. From the model section, you can select Video 1.5 Pro, which supports audio and camera controls. If you want, you can also add your frames from here. Next, choose your video duration. I'm going with 12 seconds, which is the longest duration available here, and you can see that it only costs 12 credits. So, 12 seconds of video for just 12 credits, I think that's pretty reasonable. Now, simply hit the generate button and our video will start generating. As you can see, it says the generation may take some time. So, here's a little tip to save your time. Instead of waiting for each video to finish separately, you can upload your next image and prompt while the first one is still generating. So, I'll remove the first image, upload my second one, and enter my second motion prompt. Again, I'll select 12 seconds and hit generate. And as you can see, my second video has also started generating. Oh my god! After patiently waiting for a few minutes, my video is finally ready. So, let's check out the result.
Smells incredible. Get ready for the best fried rice you've ever had.
And just like this, I continued uploading my images and adding my prompts one by one. Now, you can see that all of my videos are generating simultaneously. This means I don't have to wait 5 to 10 minutes separately for every single video. I can simply start generating them all together, leave them for a few minutes, and come back when they're ready. After testing my patience, my videos are finally ready. So, let's check out the results. Wow! As you've already seen, the results are absolutely amazing. The camera movements, the visuals, the quality, everything looks so good, and it's honestly just so satisfying to watch. And you can see that the soundtrack has also been added in the background, which makes the videos feel even more cinematic. I absolutely love how these turned out. So guys, this tool is really great for creating all kinds of trending and viral videos, whether it's anime cooking, miniature cooking, or anything else you can imagine. I've personally tested it, and the results are genuinely impressive. And the best part? Even after creating a whole batch of videos, I still have some credits left, which is really cool. So, go ahead and create your own trending videos and shorts and start growing your content. This is your opportunity. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and support us. Your support really means a lot to us here at Nexa AI. I'm Trixie, and you're watching Nexa AI. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, and thanks for watching.